Kia ora, I'm Kieran Davis, Dean of the Faculty of Pain Medicine, based in Tamaki Makaurau, Auckland. I'd like to give you an update of some of the changes taking place in the training and exam space in 2023. Changes that will improve the way we support our trainees and interact with the faculty and the college. The first is the long-awaited introduction of an ePortfolio to replace the faculty's paper-based training forms. This has been a high priority for the FPM Board for many years, and we are relieved to see it finally being implemented. The new ePortfolio will include changes to the workplace-based feedback forms, which have been developed by the Learning and Development Committee. The ePortfolio will allow us to easily adapt and update our assessments as we go through our review process. Later in 2023, the ePortfolio will be introduced to support the SIMGs, replacing paper forms, further details of which will be circulated prior to introduction. The second is a new exam management system. Initially, this system will be used by FPM examiners to develop and mark examinations. We anticipate that this system may also allow the FPM written exams to be completed online in years to come. The third is a new learning management system called Learn at Ansgar, which will replace networks. All of these systems will be fully integrated with one another and allow access via a single sign-on. We all know adapting to new ways of doing things takes time and effort. Switching from paper to online will require a shift in the way we work. If you have questions, please reach out to the Lifelong Learning Project team who can support you. We encourage feedback on our new systems so that refinements can be made. If we don't know that things aren't working, then we can't make changes. For now, we have deferred replacing our CPD portfolio as we believe our current system to be much better suited to our needs and the solutions on the market. We were also mindful of the regulatory changes taking place in the CPD, making it the wrong time to even consider IT changes. The CPD changes kick in on January the 1st, and I'd encourage you all to check out the CPD pages on the college website to see how they will affect you. Ka kite anau, I look forward to seeing you all in Sydney in May.